Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you will have to open settings, then you have to enter display section, night light. Here you can switch this mode, here you can change its intensity, and you can also add a schedule to it. Here you can set it on a custom time, you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and actually this is all your options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.